The first one is, if you can see, it's the first day of the full moon, so I'll be sharing with you eclipse. What makes the desert so lonely at night? What makes the desert so lonely at night? Millions of reasons, tell me just one. At night the desert is hiding the sun. Sunset is lovely, as warm as can be. Moonlight is lovely, blinding to see. All is so touching, romantic they say. Nature's love story about night and day. Fire begins burning, so bright and so bold. Where is silver when outshining is gold? Chasing each other, whose lover the sun, hoping to catch her, to be united as one. Keep on dreaming like sunshine will be. Keep on hoping like moonshine you'll see. Once in a lifetime, an eclipse it is called. Now together silver moon, sun's gold. Shadows are shadows, beside us we see. At times frozen, so still, so free. A sunlight is hidden from high up above. Behind moon's shadow, the sunlight's love. What makes the desert so lonely at day? What makes the desert so lonely at day? Wind blows by you, whispering a sad tune. At day the desert is hiding the moon. Thank you.